Hello, this is Maria, and we're in our 5th week in the Model for Teachers EVA 18. And this week, we need to document the process of setting up our collaborative course. So I'm going to make a little journey back in time. It all started about 5 weeks ago when we enrolled in the course. Week by week, we started exploring, learning new things, learning how the Moodle platform works, how to find resources, how to set up activities. And towards the end of the 2nd week, we were asked to form groups so that we could start working in teams to develop our collaborative course. So this is how our team was formed. We all happen to have a lot of experience teaching teenagers, ages 14 to 16, and we thought the idea of developing a general course for teenagers was a really good one. So we started working together. And there were actually five teams formed. Ours is the first one. And this is where we began interacting. Here, there was a forum where we started discussions and talking about what kind of course we would develop, the details, the subject. And it was actually Olga who came up with a dynamic idea on building a course around the theme of schools. We all liked her idea and embraced it, and we started talking about it, discussing ideas on how to set it up, what we would include, how we would divide work, and somehow to make each model of our course have similar features. And we also had to decide on a way to communicate between us apart from the platform here. We decided it was a good idea to get connected in a social media platform. So we formed a group in WhatsApp, and it was a pretty good idea because we could get immediate response and support. Before everything had to happen very, very fast because there was no time to waste. So we started working on our course design, and at the same time we had to write our syllabus and share it We used Google Drive docs for our team policy and our syllabus, and we shared those. We also developed a logo, and this is actually Bian's work, since our course is about schools. We decided to have this kind of logo, which I find really nice. And then, as you see, there were different topics. We each were assigned a topic, and we renamed them and started working on each. Mine is the first one, and I can show you a quick look at what it looks like. And it's been great working with the team. I want to thank everyone for being so wonderful. There has been a lot of encouragement and support. Sometimes we were at a loss because this is our first attempt on designing a course online, so we had to search for tools, see how we could implement them, set up our activities, and it's not, sometimes it can be a little frustrating when you think about too many things all at a time, but having the support of a group and sharing ideas and working together helped us all go through everything and overcome difficulties. And so we are about to conclude our work, and I hope that our course design comes out beautiful. So thank you very much for watching, and thank each member of my team for being so wonderful. Bye bye.